I think it's due. This slot has crazy potential, man. I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. I'm buying it again. Wow. 239x on Buffalo? Hell yeah, man. Come on, chicken. Come on. Come on, chicken. Come on, come on. There we go. Watering fountain. 3 by 3. There we go. 2x. It's looking good. I think this shit is due. Oh, nice! A 4 by 4. Hold on. Guys, this could pay. This could fucking pay now. This one. This is a really good start here. Oh my god! 4x! Holy shit, this is gonna pay. We got a 4x multi. If we get another fucking watering fountain here, this is gonna pay huge. We gotta stand the fuck up on this one, guys. I trust my instincts. Come on. Oh my god, give me another one. Strawberries. Oh my god, if we had strawberries there, would have paid massive. Holy shit. Come on. More watering fountains, please. More watering fountains. Oh my god, we got another multi. It's a 4x multi now. Holy shit. Mushroom? Oh my god, come on. Drop another watering fountain. If we get another watering fountain, guys, it's huge win. Huge. Come on, water. Wow, $14 hit just on that. That's crazy. God damn, man. We still have 5 spins left. Come on. Give me mushrooms. Oh, $28 hit. Holy shit. That was fucking nice. Those mushrooms paid, guys. Those mushrooms fucking paid. Holy fuck. If we get a re-trigger, it's gonna be huge. Wow. Come on. Come on, drop another watering fountain. Strawberries, mushrooms, again. Come on. Drop another watering fountain. Oh, we got a re-trigger, did we? Oh, we're 1 away from a re-trig. Oh my god, please give me a retrig. Fuck. If we had a retrig right there, that would have been insane. We got a retrig! Oh my god, this is gonna pay! This is gonna fucking pay! We got it! Oh shit, this is gonna pay! Oh fuck! Oh my god, this is gonna pay so much, guys! This is gonna pay so much! Holy fuck! Come on! Don't stop! Oh, if we get another corn! Give me corn! Oh! Another $28! Holy shit, this is a $200 win right here. Oh my god. If we get strawberries in one of these, we need another box. Oh my god. This is insane. Please drop another watering fountain. Please. If we get another watering fountain, it's going to be massive. Oh my god, I'm so glad I did a 60 buy. I knew it. I was like, it's going to pay. I believe in this slot so much. I believe in it. Come on. Drop another watering fountain. Oh my god, if we get another watering fountain. Oh, another 28. Oh, please, give me another watering fountain. Oh my god, this is fucking paying. Let's fucking go. Let's get a Roo in the chat, guys. Let's get a Roo. You said chicken shit, Kerman. You didn't believe in it, man. Come on. Oh my god, please. Watering fountain. Just one more watering fountain. Oh my god, if we just get one more. Oh my god. What's it gonna be? Oh, nice. Okay. We'll take that. Let's get a Roo, guys. Let's get a Roo for a watering fountain. Please, another watering fountain. Oh my god. We're down to last spin. I need a watering fountain. I need it. Come on, come on. What's it gonna be? Okay, we'll take that. Fuck it. $226 hit. Holy shit. That fucking paid. Wow, guys. That's fucking amazing.